Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this AI Decentralized NFT data network airdrop. This is a free airdrop because this is in Testnet, so you don't need to spend any money to do this airdrop. Like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about BitsCrunch and the project that they are launching and how you can participate on this airdrop step by step. Guys, this is one of those airdrops that all the information is here for you. So we are going to be able to know exactly what you need to do and the criteria of participation, how to be eligible for this, when is the timeline for all this airdrop, and when we can expect the rewards, and how we can calculate the rewards and get it. So everything is here, guys, explained from the project. So in this video, we are going to know exactly how to get this airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this project is called BitsCrunch, and this is an AI engaged decentralized NFT data network. Confirm airdrop from BitsCrunch on CoinList, so we are going to cover that. Users can join to BitsCrunch incentivized testnet and perform the actions on the Unleash NFTs platform, for which they will receive rewards for their contributions. This project, guys, is backed by Coinbase, Animo brands, Polygon, Chainlink, Partners Mastercard, Cointelegraph, NFT Forensics. There are 1,500,000 tokens have been allocated for this airdrop, which will be distributed on the top 1,000 ranked participants. So we are going to check exactly how to do that. I will put also the link to the official CoinList link where you are going to have all the information that we are going to cover right now. The website is bitscrunch.com. You're going to be able to see more details of the technical aspect of this project there, exactly what they are trying to achieve and how everything works. And this is confirmed because all the information is in the Twitter account and all the criteria to participate. So you can even see the incentivized testnet Twitter that they launched on July 7. So this is really just happening right now. And the place where you are going to interact is here on unleashnfts.com. And you can see this is the BitsCrunch incentivized testnet. In terms of Twitter followers, 29,000, almost 30,000 followers. This is based on Germany in Munich, according to the Twitter information. And you can get more things about the project on the Twitter account if you research there. So now that you understand a little bit more about this project, let's go to the step-by-step on how to participate, because right now it's really easy. Step 1, 2, and 3 of my step-by-step tutorial is to follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Eventually you are going to need to do that in order to keep the news of this project and to be able to get the new task for this airdrop. So you have here the official links that you can join. Then we go to step 4, which is we go to the website and we connect our wallet. The website is unleashnfts.com. So we go to the website, we click to connect the wallet. I am using MetaMask, and you can see now I am already connected and I am in the Ethereum mainnet network, just in case. And you can see the information of my wallet, what is my rank, my address wallet, my score, and how many tasks I have been completed. The tasks that you complete is what give you the score, and with the score you are going to be able to increase in the rank of the dashboard. The dashboard, guys, step 5 is you can visit the leaderboard in order to know where you are. That is exactly what I was showing here. You go to the unleashnfts.com/leaderboard and you are going to see here the information. And if you scroll down, you can see also the number 1 wallet that only have 500 points. So it's not so far that from where we are right now. You can see more of the leaderboard there. And now we go to step 6, which is we need to do the open task and keep an eye on the leaderboard. So in order to get points, like I say, the score, you need to complete task. And you can see here, open task. So you need to go and complete this. So for example, this one, duration on stage, it says browse the platform for 5 minutes to achieve this goal. So you need to be here 5 minutes. Remember that this information can take like 1 hour before you can see it on the leaderboard. Then you can do another one, for example, visit any collection page, and here you have a collection page URL, so you can go to this URL directly, for example, but you can just go and explore any other collection. So click on explore, you can search for a collection, or you can just go and enter into any of the collections. So enter into one collection and start to researching and open the collection, and you are going to be done. Then you can go back to the leaderboard and you can go to another task. Right now there are 4 tasks. I already completed these 4 tasks. That is why I have 100 of score. So you need to keep an eye on this panel for the open task and do those. So for the program overview, the incentivized testnet has 2 critical goals: bootstrap and secure the network, and test network functionalities and get product feedback. The round 1 of the testnet began in May 2023, and mainnet launch is expected on September 2023. So there is not much time until September, guys, so we are fine with this. BitsCrunch is now calling all users to join the task 3 and complete activities on the Unleash NFTs platform as a way to test the performance, stability and scalability of BitsCrunch network testnet API. The testnet details: anyone can participate. Test round 1 task 3 is the name of the program. Participation limit: there's no limit, but top 1000 ranked users will qualify for rewards. The timeline is that users can start completing activities since July 6 until the end of August 30, so we still have time. And the allocation reward is 1,500,000 BCUT tokens distributed at mainnet launch and subject to 6 months linear vesting. So right now you can see we are in task 3, so we can expect tasks 4, 5, 6 and 7 until the end. And the rewards, you can see here the activities. If you visit predefined pages in unleash.com daily, you get a max of 100 points. You have here some activities, the frequency and the max points that you get for each of them. And here you have how the tokens distribution is. If you are ranked from 1 to 10, you will get 10,000 tokens per person. And the last part is from position 900 to 1000, you get 200 tokens. So I think if you want to get into this, it will be nice if you are at least between the top 200 to get 2500 tokens. There will not be too many tokens of this project, so maybe 2500 in a bull run could mean something, but maybe 200 is not so attractive for this airdrop. In any case, this is a free airdrop, guys, like you can see, and you just need to do this open task, which is really easy to do. Just visit pages. For now, that is all what you need to do. Another thing that you can do here is you can go to your portfolio, and here you are going to see your NFTs, everything that you have here on your wallet, and then you can just navigate the application of Unleash NFTs. So this is super easy, straightforward. In step 7, I put the detailed information about this. So all that I have been covering here on this document is here on step 7. And then I put step 8, which is there's an easy NFT to get on Galxe. So if you go there, you're going to see this BitsCrunch incentivized testnet task 3. Only 2,000 people have been taking this, and you have time until the 16th of July, so you can do it now. And basically it's BitsCrunch Discord member, BitsCrunch Twitter follower, a Twitter like here, a retweet here, and visit the incentivized testnet giveaway. So really easy to get this. Get this OAT because maybe this means something for the airdrop too. And the step 9, guys, is leave a feedback on Discord. So here you go to the link and you can put a feedback about everything that you have been doing on the testnet already and if it worked correctly or not, and just put your address just in case. And guys, if you liked this video, remember that I have my private Discord subscription where you can enter here. We manage high level of information about airdrops, BRC20 airdrops, testnet airdrops that are free. So we have a specific channel now for free airdrops to apply, and of course we are covering the major airdrops on each channel for Zksync, Polygon zkABN, Layer 0, Scroll and Linea, many other projects there. And if you want to make farming airdrops or just applying to airdrops in one wallet but in an organized way, an easy way, you can use my application. You have 2 videos on how my app works. Guys, don't forget to check my website. You can go to the video section, you can search for any project, and you will see if there is an open airdrop for this or not. So check there. I cover gaming airdrops, BRC20 airdrops, Binance and Zksync airdrops, of course, and also I give you all my educational videos. For example, how to not be blacklisted or civil on airdrops. So if you want to check my educational videos, just search on how to, and you are going to find all the videos that are related on how to apply to airdrops easily. For example, if you are new, how to start on crypto airdrops, how to protect your airdrops from hacking, how to manage multiple wallets, how to organize your airdrops, what is wallet Ethereum, etc. Guys, that will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, follow me at CryptoState on Twitter. All the live actions that I do are in Twitter. So if I am applying to an airdrop, you can see it on my Twitter when I do. So don't forget to follow me at CryptoState in Twitter. It's appearing right now. And of course, before we leave here, guys, I would appreciate if you click the like button. That helps me a lot for the algorithm. And please subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you are new. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.